What you saying, gals? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. Today's video is going to be about how I do my minimal makeup look. If you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get into the tutorial. First things first is skin prep. Skin prep, we're going in with the Milani BFF primer. Love it. This is literally my go-to. As you can see, I'm finishing it, but I just hold on. Get a little bit. I gotta restock that. That's literally like my go-to primer. It has sunscreen inside of it. I just love the glow that it gives my face. Even when I don't even have on makeup or wear makeup at all, I put the primer on to act as a form of barrier, you know, because us black girls supposed to be wearing sunscreen, but we stray away from. But where is sunscreen? This has sunscreen inside. Our skin is nicely prepped. We're going in with brows. This is the e.l.f. brow lift. I love this brow gel. Like, it literally keeps all of your hairs in place. Like, you won't need much. Like, a little goes a long way, and it's affordable. Y'all know we live affordable on this channel. And for my brows today, that's all I'm doing. Literally all I'm doing. I'm not doing nothing else. I just wanted it in place to have a little shape. So up next is foundation. Now for foundation, we're going in with the Fenty is this a skin tip? Oh no, the Fenty Skin Tint. This is in the color 16, and this is basically like a foundation skin tint. Like, I don't know how to say it, but I use it. And I just love how this goes on. Like, you don't feel like you have on makeup at all, because if you're somebody who literally don't like makeup at all, Fenty Beauty is definitely the way to go. So we're just gonna blend this in, and you can literally blend this in with your hand, or you can blend this in with a brush. As you can see, I'm using a brush because I just wanted everything to seep in my skin. And I'm not the type to like color correct and stuff like that, because I don't know why. If the mask is show, it can show. Like, I tried a color correcting thing, like it just didn't work for me. But if you have any color correcting tips, you can let me know down below. I'll be happy to try it. It's how I do my minimal makeup child. Now we're just patting it in, making sure it's nicely blended to our perfection. Like, as you can see, look, it literally looks like we have nothing on our skin, and that's the look you want to go for. Like, a no makeup look. Okay, minimal. Next up is we gotta do something with our under eyes. I love me a bright under eye. For under eyes, we're going in with the e.l.f. color. What color is this? This is in the color Deep Caramel, and we're using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I don't know if this is a new one. Yeah, it looks like it's a new one, because a lot of my stuff finishing. I don't know why, but I just conceal under my eye. I don't do like a whole lot. Like, I literally stick to minimal. And sometimes, like, what we tend to forget is a little goes a long way. So we're going in with the Real Techniques brush, and we're just gonna blend this out to our liking. But I like this concealer because it's super thick and it's super creamy. Like, when I found this, like, as you can see, I have a lot of e.l.f. products. I don't know if it's this tutorial, but I literally carry a lot of e.l.f. products. I just love e.l.f. e.l.f. It's really cheap and affordable. Drugstore. Look at that. You can't tell me this concealer isn't high end. Y'all see this glow it gives me? And I know some people like experience a little bit of creasing with this, but what people tend to realize is over time your eye is going to crease regardless. Now, what we consider a red flag is when your eye is creasing like literally 2 seconds after you apply the concealer. Like, no, that shouldn't be happening. That's how you know the concealer isn't working. But if you get a little crease here and there at the end, that's okay. Like, it's okay. Look at that under eye. So now we're gonna do a side, and I'm just going in tapping motions. As you can see, all I literally do is tap the concealer on, just going in tapping motion. I just love this concealer. It just gives me the nice amount of brightness that I need. Very thick, really highlights my face. And if you're somebody who's not into like concealer and stuff like that, that's okay. You can literally stop at the foundation, right under eye. We achieve the bright under eye with concealer. But like I said, I'm doing a minimal makeup look. So even though I'm doing a minimal makeup look, it won't look like I have on makeup, but it will look like something is there, you know. My minimal makeup look is more so natural. Okay, so we're just going over it one more time to make sure everything is blended nice and smooth and to our liking. And this look takes me no time to do. Like 9 times out of 10, I am doing a minimal makeup look for real. Yeah. Okay. Now I wear glasses, so I always do a double check with my mirror. I need a mirror to see. Can't see. We are blended nicely. Love it. Cute. So now we're gonna go in with a setting powder. Setting powder I've been using lately is the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I have the color Honey, I believe. I think it's Honey. Yeah, I have the color Honey. Okay, I always put a little bit on the cap, and I don't know where my sponge is at the moment. So since we can't find that, we're gonna go in with the same brush that we applied the concealer with. Dab the excess off. Basically just apply a little bit on the areas that we apply concealer. And I always tap off the excess before I go down with a layer, because I don't want it to go on like super thick. I just want to set in that concealer in place. This helps you control the narrative, you know. You're controlling what's going on. Like sometimes you might see people face cake up. It's because they don't blend well and they apply a lot of product and they didn't properly take their time to blend it out. Good stuff. Let's double check with our mirror. Love it, 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 love it. It's coming together. So now my favorite part of the day is contour. I am an old school girly. I'm going for an everyday look. Very rare do I use the contour stick. Yeah, very rarely do I use a contour stick, but I prefer to go in with the powder. But I just recently purchased a contour stick that is very easy to blend out. So I have a little makeup hit or miss coming on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. But today's video isn't about that. Today's video is about doing my makeup look. As you can see, I only contour like the natural highlights on my face. The natural shadows on my face. Like I like to go on my jaw, in my cheek, and I like to go on my forehead to just give it that dimension. Like, I don't know, I just like that look. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So now that that's completed, we're gonna go in with mascara. This is the Essence Princess Lash Mascara. I literally stopped wearing bare lashes because of this mascara. Sorry for all the typos, pronunciation, I don't know. Sorry. But yeah, I use this mascara and it just basically brings out my lash how I like it. Oh, and be careful because it has a lot of time. Me and this mascara always falling out just because of how it is. Good stuff. Now our mascara is nicely applied. As you can see, it gives us such a difference. Lips, or should we do setting spray? We can do lips and then we just spray and then we finish, okay? So we're going in with a Beauty Supply Store pencil and we're just going to contour our lips. And we start to line our lips. And yeah, this is a Beauty Supply Store color in brown. Smush it in. Then we're gonna go in with lipstick. I'm going in with the NYX, what's this? NYX Lipstick Laundry, and we're going to apply this too. As you can see, this is almost empty. Everything is almost empty today. That's how you know I use these products often. But yeah, gonna apply this in the middle, and I like to smush it in. This is the desired look that I go for. And then, last but not least, setting spray. I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray. This is the Continuous Mist setting spray. Always so hard to open for no reason. And it smells so good. It smells so good. So whilst I let everything set, I basically pack everything up because I'm leaving the door right now. So I pack everything, and by the time I'm finished packing, I have my, first off, are you a girl that puts away all of her makeup before she leaves the door? What? Be real. Comment down below. I am somebody who puts away all of my makeup before I leave the door. Sometimes setting spray when I act up, but don't worry, we got her. So, drawer is clean. I don't like to come home to mess. Don't come home to mess. So we have to finish off our look. Take out our looks. Our hair is styled, and this is how I do my nice minimal makeup look. See y'all next time.